Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, specially I upload videos related to math of class 11, 12, BCom, BSc, engineering and higher class also. If you like these videos, please subscribe my channel and like and share. Okay. Now we are going to discuss a trigonometric related chapter, submultiple angle. The problem is cos theta equals to a cos phi plus b by a plus b cos phi. Then so that tan theta by 2 equals to plus minus root under a minus b by a plus b into tan phi by 2. Okay. Here cos theta equal to a cos phi plus b divided by a plus b cos phi is given. Therefore, 1 by cos theta equals to, taking reciprocal to this relation, a plus b cos phi by a cos phi plus b. Okay. Now applying componendo and dividendo. Applying componendo dividendo. 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta equals to a plus b cos phi plus a cos phi plus b divided by a plus b cos phi minus a cos phi minus b. Okay. Taking a as common, a plus b, taking cos phi as common from these two, cos phi into a plus b. Okay, divided by a minus b by a minus b minus taking cos phi minus cos phi from these two, a minus b cos phi. Okay, taking a plus b as common from numerator and a minus b as common from denominator, we get a plus b by a minus b and 1 plus cos phi by 1 minus cos phi. Okay, taking reciprocal to this relation, we get 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, a minus b by a plus b into 1 minus cos phi by 1 plus cos phi. Formula of 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta is tan square theta by 2. Similarly, it will be tan square phi by 2. Taking square root, tan theta by 2 equal to plus minus root under a minus b by a plus b into tan phi by 2. Very easy to solve. If any doubt arises, please comment me. I will clear your doubt. And thank you for watching this video till now. Okay.